I edited their organization profile, I helped them with their Excel entries, and I also prepared digital posters for the various welfare camps that they were preparing for. I visited the two NGOs that the Sacred Heart Institution has, one for the boys and one for the girls and the old people, and I distributed food packets as well, and that made me happy from within. Got to know a lot of people, and it enhanced my community engagement and social service, and also improved my communication skills.
I belong to the Economics Department from Loreto College, and I have completed my community service from Rainbow School of Loreto. I worked at the Rainbow School. I taught the kids. I spent time with them. I taught them dancing and just spent time with them and helped them organize the Christmas fair that was happening at that time. Being able to be a part of this Rainbow School and helping these kids and spending time with them has taught me empathy and also deepened my understanding of the various genre and backgrounds of people. I've also felt a strong sense of fulfillment and have also developed patience. That's it. Thank you.
I'm from the Department of Economics, a second sem student. I completed my 30 hours of community service from Udaan Charitable Trust School. There I taught students from the ages of 8 through 13. I taught subjects like mathematics, English, social sciences and science. It was a very enriching experience in the sense that I learned from the students as much as they learned from me. It helped me communicate with children better, and it also made me gain a deeper appreciation for educators all over.
Good afternoon, I'm Tanisha, and I completed my 30 hours of community service with an NGO named Fateh Saathi. I was involved in activities like teaching underprivileged children, organizing fun learning sessions, and helping with basic daily tasks. It was a heartwarming experience to work closely with the community and be part of something meaningful. Through this experience, I learned how important it is to be patient, kind, and a good listener. I also understood the small actions, how just giving your time and care can make someone smile. It helped become more confident and improved my communication skills. Working with Fateh Saathi changed the way I see the world. It made me more grateful for what I have and more aware of the struggles others face. It taught me the value of giving back and inspired me to stay connected with social causes in the future. I truly feel this experience made me a more responsible and compassionate person.
I chose community service activity because for me serving God is to serve people at first. I taught the children who were there in the NGO. I planted trees with them, and I also played quiz with them and did many other activities. There was a specially able child, so I have never interacted with someone very special. So for me at first it was very difficult to contact with her, but it got really better with time. PT has taught me very special life skills like patience, teamwork and better communication. This activity has taught me that I am very privileged to have so many resources available with me, and I really like to share them with everyone who do not get those resources, and I really want to share it with everyone.